back to the trail, and that's what we're about to do. Oh,
it's gonna make me cry.
Crying.
Where? You can't see it yet. It's on suck. Yeah. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I need to.
Alright, y'all, I got dropped back off. Well, we got dropped back off at the spot we got picked up at the other day. My camera malfunctioned, so I wasn't able to record for the past day and a half. But we're about to hike out of Palmerton, and it is straight uphill, and we're all scared for our lives. We're like preparing for war and trying to get pumped up, so. Yeah. Oh no. We're all gonna hate our lives in 0.2 seconds. If you're wondering what the climb out of Palmerton looks like, huh? No way.
This only gets harder.
We're rock climbing. We're not hiking anymore. We're rock climbing with freaking 20-pound packs. Bouldering. There's no crash pad. Oh. Woo! I don't know what's going on anymore.
Use up another life.
I might have to use another life. Woo! This is awesome! To all my Arkansas people, this is like climbing pinnacle times 12. Wow. It keeps going. Just keeps going. Yeah! Let's go. Nice. Bye, Palmerton. You've been fun.
Dude, look at where it is. I usually try to remember to step on logs and off them. Any recommendations on the upcoming terrain? Like any shelters or? I heard there's several wasp nests. Get your really. This is awesome.
It is. Whoa. Palmerton looks bigger.
It's beautiful.
It is. Whoa, now where? Let's look over. So we just took a little Blue Blaze. There's a restaurant down here, so we're gonna go get some food and then do the last 10 to the shelter and make it a 16-mile day.
Down the hill to the left.
I hear people.
Yeah. We're gonna take the.
Alright, we hiked 5 miles and somebody gave us water. Thank the Lord. I'm about to camel up. Oh. Y'all are like full. We are so excited. We just came upon this. Oh my gosh. Let's go. We've now arrived at our next vortex. There is rock climbing, zip lining, and that smells so good. That's what I was smelling on trail. Yes.
Some cornball?
This is amazing. Oh, I'm gonna beat y'all at cornball.
That's what they are.
Wait, we don't have enough people. What are those people? Oh, Jewish.
Yes.
Oh, beautiful.
There you go. It's gonna be on the red side then.
Love you.
Anything else?
I think this is
Not currently. Thank
pretty
you.
great. Oh, we got here for $5 nacho day. Let's go.
Thank you, though. You're welcome. And do you need anything else?
Looks good.
Well, I don't think so. Thank you. 13 different birds. Check them out. Skipping that.
Yeah. All right, y'all, we're hiking out of the ski resort after eating like 7 pounds of food. We're gonna do 9 miles more to a shelter, see how we feel. There's another campsite that's like 13 up. Either way, we either have 15 or 20 into Delaware Water Gap tomorrow and some night hiking to do. I'm out of breath. Ooh. But this place is awesome. Yeah, it was the dessert that got me. If you're hiking the AT, definitely stop in. We walked like, I don't know, not even 0.1 off trail, and you can walk down here and get a really good meal and water. So much for the no water for 20 miles. We've gotten 2 things of water in the past 5. So, all right, putting this away because I can't breathe. Time to night hike. So this section of trail, there's this huge wasp's nest, and we just found it. And it's big and scary, and Popeye is like deathly allergic. Can't really tell on the camera. I want to wake him up. It is a bird. He was asleep. I woke him up.
What'd you do?
Look at him.
Oh, it's a bat. Bird.
It's not a bat.
I'm so tired. It's a bat. It's white. Just looking at the camera. Is he upside down? A white bird. It's a bat. I love it.
He's cute. He's like,
I know.
why did you wake me up? What are you doing?
Are you gonna eat me? Go to bed. That's what he's telling us.
Good night, buddy. So fun to walk in the night in Pennsylvania. So fun. Yeah, it's definitely my top favorite things to do in life. There's a porcupine just chilling, walking the trail with us.
Night hike.
He's doing a little night hiking with us. Hurry up, buddy. What if he just turns around like darts?
Night hiking with a porcupine. Doesn't happen every day.
He's just running right down the trail. Look at him. Yeah, he's really fat. Go, buddy. Can only go as fast as the porcupine runs. slowing down. He's still, he's still going. Spiderweb. He's getting tired. Go on, buddy. This is crazy. We have a pet porcupine now. He's tripping on the rocks too. Alright, we made it to the shelter.